पैसे को
Manufacturing process. Actually, manufacturing process means convert the raw material into goods. Raw material can be converted into goods with some organized activities. So the manufacturing means convert the raw material into goods with help of organic, with the help of organic activities. Organized activities are such as selection of raw material. Selection of raw material. 2 is use of engineering technology. 3rd is the engineering drawing for and design. 4th is the sequence of operations. 5 is the use of machine tools and hand tools. 6 is the technique that can used by adapted. Converting raw material to goods in organized activities. These organic activities are mainly these 5 things: selection of material, use of engineering technology, engineering drawing and design, sequence of operations, use of machine tools and hand tools, and last is the technique that is adapted to perform the goods. Joining public. Casting only. Measuring tools generally two types. One is the rub, another is the precision. A rub means up to 0.5 can be measured, and precision means 0.1 to 0.01. Very precision can be made, or in inch 0.01 to 0.001 inch can be measured by this instrument. And precision instrument take help from a vernier scale. Every instrument there is a range, span and least count. Range, span and least count. If we take a steel rule, range is 0 to 30 centimeter or 12 inch, span is the 1 inch or 1 centimeter, and least count is the 0.5 and 132 by inch. So every instrument there must be range, span and least count. So this is the rough measuring instrument. Measuring instrument is called protector. It can measure the 1 degree. Now is the precision measuring instrument. One is the vernier calipers. Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers can measure 0.02 mm and 0.001 in inch. It is a main scale and another is a vernier scale, which used to measure the below the 0.1 mm. Another is the vernier depth gauge. It used to measure the depth in precisely. The least count in 0.05 mm. Another instrument is vernier height gauge. It is used to measure height precisely. Here is a main scale, another is a vernier scale, which used to take the dimension or measurement. Least count is 0.02 mm. This is the vernier bevel protector. Vernier bevel protector. It can measure the 5 minutes, equal to 1 division equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, means it can measure 5 minutes, 12 division of 1 degree. Another measuring instrument is the micrometer. It called also screw gauge. Screw gauge. Least count is 0.01 mm. Here is the main scale and another is the circular scale, and graduated by 50 division. So least count is 0.01 mm. This is the skybar, which is a hard pieces of steel. It is used to sketch on the hard surface. It is used to sketch on the hard surface or draw the lines. Used to sketch on the metal surface. Second is the punch. Punch is used to permanent the draw line. There is a two type of punch. One is the prick punch. Angle is 30 to 40. This angle is 30 to 40. And in case of center punch, this angle is 60 to 90. This is a prick punch, this angle, and in case of center punch, this is this angle. So this prick punch used to permanent the lines, and center punch generally used for the permanent the centers. If this is the plate by hard surface, the prick punch are used to permanent the lines, striking on the head. This is the prick punch. It used to locate the center or permanent the center like this. This is the center punch, is too deep and locate the center of circles, arc. This tie square, it is used to draw 90 degree or used to check the 90 degree. Here is the stock portion, here is the blade portion. Odd leg caliper. These two legs are not equal, so it showing odd, so it called the odd leg caliper. It used to draw parallel line. Parallel lines as bottom reference. If the surface is straight, it can draw parallel lines. If the surface is round, it also draw the round or cylindrical lines. Divider used to bisect the lines. It can rotate in the machine or by hand. This is the drill bit. This cutting tool called tab. There is a 3 in a set. There is a 3 in a set. It can use by chronological order. বা একটার পর আরেকটাকে ইউজ করা হয়. There is a handle. It can hold like this, and it can move through the hole, make the internal thread. This is another cutting instrument. It's called die. If a external thread is required on the bolt, it can move like this. Here is the cutting tool. This is the cutting tool used to make the external thread called die. This is the hacksaw. Here is the blade on a solid frame, and here is the tightening system by flying nut, by wing nut. The blade is different part, it can assemble with the frame, and here is the cutting teeth that can cut the metal or bisect the metal as required. This is the hand drill machine used to move this portion according to desired speed and cut the cylindrical surface on the metal. Hand drill machine. This is the hand grinder. It is used to cut the work pieces by electrical power. Hand grinder. This is the bench vise. It is a holding device. The workpiece can be held like this. This is the file. First is the state filing, like this. It is moved like this. Metal is removing like this. State filing. Another process is the diagonal filing for small removable material. And another is the draw filing for fine finishing. This is the file. Specification of tools is a special characteristics of any tools that can separately indicated, or when you go to the market you have to purchase, then you have to tell about this tool, this common identity that called specification. So every tools have some specification. Like file, you have to say 4 things. One is the length of the file, and you have to say from this tip to heel, this length is the length of the file. According to cost section, means whenever a file is cut from the middle, the cross section called the another specification of file. It is the rectangular file. If we take another is the circular file, the cylindrical or circular file. Another is the square file, the square. Another is the knife edge. One edge is the thick and another end is the thin. One edge is thin and another is the thick. This type called the knife edge file. And here is the cross section triangular called triangular file. Cross section as a triangular file. And here is the another file, the cross section of semicircle called half round or semicircle file. Is one other cutting tool used to cut the surface extra material by applying power, by applying force with the help of a hammer, like it can cut like this. It can use to cut like this. This is dismantling or assembling tool. These tools are generally support, help to perform the work, perform the job, perform the production. This is the first one is the hammer. This hammer is used to striking on the tool. This is the one type of dismantling tool. The dismantling assembly tools called which are used to assemble or disassemble. So this is called the disassembling tool. Types of hammer. This is the part of hammer. This is the face. This is the pin. This is the pin. If pin is like ball pin hammer, it is specified by the weight and shape of the pin. If shape of the pin means this shape of the pin, and weight of the metal body, it is the 400 grams. It is the 200 gram ball pin hammer. If the pin is straight pin hammer. If the pin is claw, this is the pin is claw pin hammer by claw hammer. There is a third type of hammer, hexagon or octagon in face. Both face is the equal. This is used to in the smithy shop. Heavy weight, maybe 5 kg, maybe 10 kg also. It is used to high force, high impact on the metal surface. Another is the mallet. It is the very soft, produced by soft material. It is the small work by applying small force. It is usually carpentry shop or plastic shop. This is called the mallet. It may be produced by wood or produced by the plastic. This is another type of hammer. This is called chipping hammer. It is used to remove the chips on the spot welding, on the arc welding. There is a slag layer. This slag layer used to remove by this hammer called chip hammer. Is the plier. It is used to hold the thing, and it is also used to cut the wires, strips and thin plates. It is the one type of dismantling tool. Another dismantling tool is spanner. It is called double-ended spanner. Double-ended, and there is a two end. It used to tighten in the nut or opening the bolt. There is a different dimension defined in the two edges. So it called the double-ended spanner. This is open or it can be used to close also. There is another disassembling or dismantling tool. Is a screwdriver. One is the blade, specified by this blade and length of the stick or rod. So it is 12 inch, called 12 inch screwdriver. It is used to tightening, also opening the screw. Well, a feat is defined. It is the interrelation between two or more parts. Well, if there is a defined part when you are going to assembly, the relation between defined parts is called the feat. And there is a three types of feat: clearance feat, transition feat, and interference feat. Clearance feat means in very low pressure it can open. And transition feat intermediate feat, and it can require some force to open the assembly. And third is the interference feat. It is required more force to open the assembly or different parts. Fitting, what is fitting? It is the process. Fitting is the process to assemble different parts by cutting, by filing, by removing or finishing the parts to assemble together. Assemble together. This is the fitting process. The sequence of operation in fitting. One is the measuring, check the raw material. Second is the marking, used to the engineering drawing. Actually, it is used to the proper dimension of the product. Engineering drawing used to draw the desired dimension. Third is the cutting. It is used to remove the extra material that cannot needed for the fitting by filing, by sewing, by drilling, by tapping. Fourth is the finishing or assembling process. Is a very slow process and precise process that can finish the different parts that can assemble together to produce a goods. Now it is the cutting process. You should have to cut like this. Hold here from here to here. কাটিং হয়ে গেল, ফাইলিং হয়ে গেল। এবার জব নিয়ে শুরু। একটা জিনিস বলে আজকে ছেড়ে দেবো, সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট কীভাবে দেবে, ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ড্রয়িং। বাস ফিনিশ। engineering drawing and design, each assignment should be followed by a drawing. There is orthographic drawing. There should be dimension, and you have to perform the workpiece like this pattern, removing the extra material by filing, by cutting. This is the workpiece. And you have to perform like this. Like this.
After finishing all operations.
After finishing all operations, the object will be like this.
The job should be
like this.